everybody, Mr. Can't Fix It here, and I'm about to show you how to fix or replace a doorknob.
Hold on, you big dummy. The only way you're gonna replace anything is with my help.
I don't need anyone's help, especially yours.
There's not enough people in this world to help you, you big dummy. And I'm not gonna let you show these viewers any more of your nonsense.
Fine. Okay, let me show you what types of tools I'll be using for this job.
Hammer?
Just let me do this.
You might need this.
Knock it off, you're out of here. Okay, again. A hammer. I'm using a hammer here. Hatchet. And if it doesn't want to cooperate, jigsaw. Mr. Can't Fix It here. And the first thing I'm going to do is take off this doorknob. Is that okay with you?
So far, so good. Let's see if Mr. Can't Fix It can take that knob off.
Alright, Mr. Can't Fix It here, and we're about to knock this, we're going to take this doorknob off with this hammer. I know what I'll do. We're going to go in for round two. What's so funny?
What are you doing? Take out the screw, you big dummy.
What screws?
Right here, you big dummy. Right here.
I knew that.
Sure you
Alright,
did.
Mr. Can't Fix It here, and I'm going to take those screws out with this screwdriver. Alright, other side, other side.
Let me show you how it's done. You big dummy.
Mr. Can't Fix It here. And as you can see, I got the knob out of the door here. Oh, wait, what's that sound? Okay, the broken doorknob is off. Now to put the new one on.
Hold on, hold on. I'm tired of you wasting these viewers' time. Why don't you go there, sit down, and I'll show you how a real man fixes things.
Oh!
Let me show you how a real man does it. Now you sit there and be quiet.
Mr. Can't Fix It does it again. Everything's good. Doorknob's fixed. Mr. Can't Fix It here. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, which what the heck are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. There'll be a new video out next week. Mr. Can't Fix It.